Churches, with their historical significance and intricate architecture, are an essential part of New York City's cultural heritage. However, the renovation and construction of these iconic structures often come with a unique set of challenges that contribute to a higher rate of accidents. Moreover, the high stakes involved in such projects can create opportunities for corruption, further complicating the landscape. Historical structures. The age and complexity factor. Churches are often among the oldest buildings in New York City, embodying architectural intricacies that pose significant challenges during renovation or construction. The preservation of these historical elements requires specialized skills and techniques, increasing the risk of accidents. The structural integrity of older buildings can also be compromised over time, making them more susceptible to damage and collapse during construction activities. Balancing preservation and modernization. Historical church requires a delicate balance between preserving its original features and integrating modern systems. This dual focus adds layers of complexity to the project, leading to potential oversights and mistakes. High ceilings, steeples, and other vertical elements necessitate the use of scaffolding and lifts, increasing the risk of falls and other accidents. Urban environment. Navigating the hustle and bustle. New York City's dense urban environment presents additional challenges. The proximity of buildings, heavy pedestrian traffic, and bustling streets require meticulous coordination. Any lapse in safety measures or communication can lead to accidents, endangering both workers and the public. The logistical challenges of transporting materials and equipment through narrow, crowded streets further complicate the process. Regulatory and compliance challenges. Church renovations must comply with both modern building codes and historical preservation regulations, creating conflicting requirements and increasing the administrative burden. Navigating these regulatory landscapes requires careful planning and coordination. Any oversight can lead to serious consequences, compromising the project's safety and integrity. The shadow of corruption. Unveiling the dark side, the high stakes and financial investments involved in church projects can create opportunities for corruption. This corruption can manifest in various forms, including inflated costs, substandard materials, and bribery, all of which can compromise safety and quality. Inflated costs and kickbacks. Contractors may overcharge for materials and labor, pocketing the difference as kickbacks. This reduces the funds available for essential aspects such as safety measures and quality materials, increasing the risk of accidents. Substandard materials and workmanship. To cut costs and increase profits, some contractors may use substandard materials and employ unskilled labor. This can lead to structural weaknesses and safety hazards, putting both workers and future occupants at risk. Bribery and favoritism. Bribery and favoritism can lead to a lack of transparency and fairness in the bidding process. Less qualified contractors may be selected, further compromising the quality and safety of the project. Weak regulatory oversight. Inadequate regulatory oversight can exacerbate corruption. Weak enforcement of building codes and safety regulations can create an environment where unethical practices go unchecked, leading to a culture of impunity. The human cost of corruption. Human cost of corruption in church construction projects is significant. Workers may be exposed to unsafe working conditions, leading to injuries and fatalities. The community may suffer from poorly constructed buildings that pose safety risks and require costly repairs. Corruption undermines the integrity of the project and erodes public trust in the institutions involved. Conclusion. A call for vigilance and accountability address these challenges. It is essential to implement robust oversight mechanisms and enforce strict regulations. Transparent bidding processes, regular audits, and stringent penalties for unethical behavior can help deter corruption and ensure that projects are completed safely and to a high standard. By fostering a culture of accountability and vigilance, the construction industry can work towards eliminating corruption and protecting the integrity of church projects. Preserving New York City's historical landmarks is a noble endeavor that must be balanced with a commitment to safety and ethical practices. By addressing the underlying issues of corruption and prioritizing safety, we can ensure that these sacred spaces are built with the care and respect they deserve.